How to succeed on affiliate marketing product or affiliate marketing business. You have an affiliate marketing channel on your social media and you are not making it. Now let me show you 4 tips on how you can succeed in your affiliate marketing. Number one, choose a high quality product that's aligned with your audience. Choose a high quality product that align with your audience. Then number two, create a valuable trust. Create a valuable trust with your audience. Then number three, create a valuable contact between you and your audience. So create a valuable contact between you and your audience. Then number four, utilize various marketing strategies to promote your product on your affiliate marketing business. Now you are here and you have been on this social media struggling with your affiliate marketing, you cannot meet up. What do? Follow this step by step that I just give and you're going to succeed. Now, number one, I said it again, choose a high quality product that align with your audience. Then number two is to create a valuable contact with your audience. Then number four, you need to create, you need to create a concrete trust between you and your audience. Your audience, let's say for example, you are doing a physical business, your customer. Then number four, you need to utilize various marketing strategies to get them on ground for yourself. Now, if you have watched me up to this moment, you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel at OgaFriyo_tech or OgaFriyoTv. There I'll be teaching you on how you can grow your business physically and grow your business on social media, even otherwise. Now, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell, on the notification bell, then so that if I make any post or I come on live online like this, you can equally receive notification that here I am to give some information. So thank you for joining. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.